Now, let's get more insight on this. And senior consultant at the International Crisis Group, an NGO working in conflict resolution, Piers Pigou, joins us now live from Johannesburg. Good to have you on the show, Piers. Now, is it all over now for Nelson Chamisa and the MDF? This, of course, is Zimbabwe's highest court that has given this announcement, and they've called the allegations by Chamisa of vote rigging bold and unsubstantiated. Would you say that the fight ends here for Chamisa?
Well, the fight in terms of the legal process has, and the legal options for remedy has reached its conclusion. There is nowhere else for the MDC to go. I mean, of course, there's the court of public opinion that's out there as well. But the MDC have issued a statement in which they've said that they will respect the outcome of this court decision, even though they think it's fundamentally a problematic one because it doesn't deal with the issues really that were put before it. And of course, we haven't seen yet from the court the detailed reasoning behind its judgment. It's worth pointing out that the MDC claimed that it was rigged, but they also had a subsidiary claim that the vote for Mr. Mnangagwa to get him over the 50%, which actually was a figure of about 31,000 votes, could not be substantiated on the basis of the figures that were produced by the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission itself. The Commission produced 3 different sets of results and provided no explanation for this. And the court has not provided reasons for its ruling. It said it will provide these at a later date, and they will be subject to intense scrutiny. It's worth pointing out, though, that Zimbabwean courts have a habit of not producing these reasonings. We're still waiting for the reasoning in the election petition for the presidential challenge by the MDC from 2002. Mm-hmm. So the court... Yeah. Sorry.
No, just listening to what you're saying. So no scrutiny and still waiting for all this detailed reasoning. So very little hope here then, Piers, for anything to be overturned.
Well, no, there won't be an overturn. I mean, I think many people who've been watching this for some time knew that this was going to be the outcome of this election. Sorry, the outcome of this court case. Now, there are 2 reasons, 2 primary reasons for that. One is that the kind of information that the MDC put onto the table essentially was asking the court to look further into these assertions. And in what we have in this part of the world in terms of a court system which does not, like the civil system, have an investigative backing to it. It does not go seeking the truth. You could argue very clearly that this court has not established the truth of what has happened in this election. Okay. And it would be very interesting to see whether the court deals with the allegations about huge environmental bias and the manipulation of state resources by Mr. Mnangagwa's party. And you've got to remember also that this court is stacked with judges who come out of the ZANU-PF family as well. So, you know, we have to take this court judgment with a pinch of salt.
Exactly, with a pinch of salt then, and see if the truth does come out. Piers, for now, thank you very much. Piers Pigou joining us live from Johannesburg. Thank you.